Record coming up.
No, I can't see any. Oh yes. REC.
Yeah.
Yep.
Right folks, what we've got here is a centre drive shaft driven by a drill. It's got 3 plastic pipes inside it, which turn around inside, which lead out to smaller pipes and smaller pipes again on the arms. Okay, let's put it inside and fire it up, and you can see what will happen. And instantly we have water coming out, water going in all directions, and it falls off the end. Never mind. That shows that bit alright. What we then do,
This is where?
we get quite a bit of cavitation as well. Is put a shroud on the end. A good old-fashioned British drain connector. Put the drill back on again. And fire it up. Okay, here we go. And you can see it.
Oh God.
Keep it on me. You can see it's working again. There's no cavitation, and what's more, this water is starting to circulate quite rapidly. Now obviously I can use that by turning it back on itself. Okay, cut.